This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step to do is to launch the calendar app, then select the date that you would like to create an event on. After that, tap at the plus icon to your bottom right. Fill out all the event details such as title, time frames, location, reminding notification preferences for this event, its repetitiveness or reoccurrence, so I'll make it so that this event will repeat itself quickly. Then you can also write an event description, add the link to the video conference, invite some other people to participate in this event, and change the time zone. Then hit the save button, and here is my event, which as you can see reoccurs each individual week. Now you can tap at the event to see its details, edit the details, or delete an event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.